Hey there, I want to show you something that's called a missing part subtraction problem. And in a missing part subtraction problem, there's going to be part that's missing. So for example, if I have 7 minus blank equals 3, for me, it helps to imagine that the numbers actually mean something. So I like to pretend that, for example, the numbers mean cookies. 7 cookies minus means I take away some of them, I don't know how many, but then 3 are left. And then for me, when I draw or act out with objects, it really helps me solve the problem. So I'm going to take 7 cookies. Let me do my 5-group drawing for 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to take away some of them. I don't know how many to take away, but then I'm going to leave 3 that are left. All right, so, okay, here we go. Those are the 3 that are left, which must mean that 1, 2, 3, 4 were taken away. And if I was going to do a number bond, 7 was the total, 4 were taken away, and 3 were left. All right, so that's a missing part subtraction problem. Let's do another one. All right, say the problem is 9 minus blank equals 2. Again, I like to imagine the numbers mean something. So in this problem, I'm going to say they're flowers. I have 9 flowers. Minus means I give away some of my 9 flowers. And then equals means, oh, I have 2 that are left after I give some away. So let me start with 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I take some away. I don't know how many, but I do know that 2 are left. All right, so these 2 are left after I take some away. Oh, so I took away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I took away 7. So 9 was the total, 7 was taken away, and 2 were left. All right, so missing part subtraction, it really helps to draw your 5-group drawing and to imagine the numbers mean something. So whenever I see an equation, which basically is something like, blank plus 4 plus 3 equals 12, when I see an equation, I tell a story. Yeah, I tell a story that represents the equation. And today we're focused on missing part subtraction. So here's a little bit of a more challenging problem. Okay, 13 minus blank equals 4. All right, so let me tell a story to represent the numbers. 13 grapes minus some, that means I ate some of them, equals 4. That means 4 are left after I eat some of them. So let me tell the story again so I just got it in my mind. 13 grapes minus some of them, and then 4 are left. All right, I can do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I got my 5-group drawing. So I got 13 grapes. I take away some of them. I don't know how many to take away, but I do know that 4 are left after I take some away. Oh, look at that. 4 are left after I take some away. Oh, so that must mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 were taken away. So I have 13, which was the total. 9 was taken away. 4 were left. So there's my number bond to represent the parts that we were working with in this problem. We were working with 13 total grapes, 9 taken away, 4 left. But it was a missing part subtraction problem. And missing part problems, both subtraction and addition, you can solve them by acting it out with objects or acting it out with pictures, like the 5-group drawing, and telling a story. So math is like stories about the world. Yeah. All right, last one. Here we go. 17 minus blank equals 11. All right, so I'm going to tell a story. 17 butterflies were in the garden, minus some flew away, equals 11. 11 stayed in the garden. So 17 butterflies were in the garden. Let me do my 5-group drawing for 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I got my 17. Now I'm going to take some away. I don't know how many, but I do know that 11 butterflies stayed in the garden. So if 11 butterflies stayed in the garden, oh, that's these 10 and one more. So 11 butterflies stayed in the garden. That means that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 flew away. These ones flew away, 6 flew away. And my number bond shows the parts that we were working with in this problem. The 17 butterflies was the total. And then, remember, number bonds can go in any direction. 11 stayed in the garden, 6 flew away. 17 is the total, and then 11 and 6 are the parts that were in the total. So you're going to be solving some missing part subtraction problems, and when you do that, tell a story that helps you think about the problem, act it out with pictures or with objects, and that's how you do it. All right. Awesome.